the best day of production I have ever had in my entire life.
Mark it, marker.
This is coarse dirt on metal.
When I was originally writing it, it was supposed to just be, you see a barn. But then the story shaped into, you go into the barn. I got 32 batteries for you. 32?
Yeah.
32.
They're in the trailer.
They're in the trailer. Now, hi, I forgot the slate.
I'll go get it.
All the stuff I wrote in second year and third year included somebody putting something in their shoe.
I know. I remember one of the scripts.
Well, no, I used to do that like in high school. I would put like SD cards or USBs to go to school, so I wouldn't forget them.
You didn't have any pockets.
I did have pockets, and I would just accidentally throw out.
Poor kid didn't have any pockets.
One, marker.
Alright, Sean just got me back.
Okay.
Our actress Sandra, who played Agent Gray, which actually we ended up swapping the roles because we knew she would fit this so well. And after the first shot, I'm like, wow. She was giving suggestions like crazy, and I love it when an actor does that. He just comes in, okay, what if I try it like this? What if I go up against the wall? Do you think that would work? Yes. Good communication. She added to this film so much.
We're at 24-bit, 48 kilohertz sample rate.
Yeah.
Broadcast industry standard audio.
Do them, but also as if you're like fighting back with them. So get that odd gas of air. Like you finally got you release the chain, you got a little bit of air just to keep your fighting going.
Okay. This is gonna be so awkward.
Yeah.
Okay, lads.
It's awkward for us too, don't we?
Yeah.
It's been great here. I have had a lot of fun.